Welcome to HICM, India's #1 investment banking training institute. Let's see what are the alternate options for those who did not clear CA and CFA. You can become investment banker, a person who deliver high-quality strategic advice and creative financing solutions to clients, including mergers and acquisitions, financing, capital market, fund accounting and risk management transactions. Earn diploma in investment banking at HICM Institute, in which 6 months of company internship will be provided with 100% placement assistance. Course duration is 1 year. You can become financial analyst, a person who is responsible for interpreting jargon-filled financial information and translating it into easy-to-understand terms and language for organizations. You can become fund accountant, who is provide accounting for a portfolio of investments such as securities, commodities and real estate held in an investment fund such as a mutual fund or hedge fund. At HICM Institute we have the certification programs for you such as investment banking, fund accountant and financial analyst. The duration of the course is 2 months, in which 4 weeks of company internship will be provided. Online and offline classes are available. We have placed our students in world's best companies such as TCS, Wipro, JP Morgan, Accenture, Northern Trust, Goldman Sachs. Book your seat now. Download the brochure from the link below. Please subscribe, like and share our channel to help other students as well. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and connected.